Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss the three topic. What are the three topic? First is soil erosion, soil degradation, and soil conservation. Okay, and these
Soil
three
degradation,
topics belongs
soil
to which
conservation.
part? Belongs to part B, unit 3, topic chapter soil. Clear? There are three chapters including in unit 3. What are the name of the three chapters? Climate, soil, and
So,
vegetation. Clear? According to CBSE prescribed syllabus,
vegetation.
only soil and vegetation now in our syllabus at present. Okay. So we will continue already soil. What is soil? Definition of soil. What are the factors of the factors for formation of soil? Different type of soil, etc. We are already discussed the distribution of soil throughout the India. The last topic is there are three portion point or topic. One is soil erosion, soil degradation, another is soil conservation. Firstly, soil erosion. What is the meaning of erosion? What is the meaning of erosion? Tell me. Just simply, what is the meaning of erosion? Tell me. Anyone? Removal. Okay, very good. Sit down. Exactly. So, what is the meaning of soil erosion? Just add the word with removal. Just add the soil word with removal. So, soil removal. Exactly. So that means where is the presence of where we found the soil? Topmost layer of the earth surface, right? So what is soil erosion? Removal of the soil from topmost layer with through 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 different natural agents. Exactly. Yes, both are accumulated here, but step by step now we are consider the soil erosion. अभी हम इसके बारे में बात करें then we डिपोजिशन एग्जैक्टली अगर डिपोजिशन नहीं होगा तो सॉइल इरोशन कैसे होगा राइट सो what is the meaning of soil erosion? It is clear. What is soil erosion? Stand up. What is it? Give me the proper sentence. Tell me the proper sentence. From topmost layer of the earth surface through various natural agents. देखो कोई बुक से रिमाइंडर करने की जरूरत पड़ा? Just think the concept. Okay, clear? Sit down. So it's clear what is the erosion of the soil. So the soil erosion is the removal of the soil from the topmost layer of the earth surface through various natural agents like air, water or running water or river and glacier, groundwater, etc. Clear? Next, soil degradation. What is the meaning of degradation? Exactly. That means the quality of the soil is deteriorated, right? Yes or no? So the soil erosion means
Deterioration.
removal of the
Yes.
soil, and soil degradation means it's related to what? Less of humus, less fertile, etc. That means the quality of the soil is decreased. Clear? So what is soil erosion? Always there is a two. One is the question is most important question is the distinction between soil erosion and soil degradation. So what is the comparison? Soil erosion means it's related to quantitative nature. Why quantitative nature? It's related to quantitative nature. Why? Exactly. And soil degradation means qualitative. Now it's clear. What is soil erosion and what is soil degradation? So, Shatakshi, just compare the soil erosion with soil degradation. Okay. Or deteriorated. The situation is called soil degradation. It's a situation, one kind of situation. जब मान लो कि humus है, due to wash away, due to elevation की वजह से क्या हुआ, washed away हो गया. Already we had discussed the soil forming factor, soil forming process. So due to the elevation, the minerals are washed away from A layer to B layer. Okay, so the A layer is what? Mineral qualitative nature. Clear? Third, it is what? Third point क्या होगा? Tell me anyone. Any other point? Yes. Sit down. Sit down. थोड़ा सा correction करो. It is happened with the help of various natural agents, and it is helped with the various human activity, chemical process, etc. Okay, clear? Yes. Sit down. So what is rain? Rain is a natural agent. मतलब उतना deeply नहीं कर सकते, but there is a differentiation between. It is mainly with the help of natural process or natural agents. With the help of natural agent, it's one kind of chemical process. ये हम मान के चल सकते हैं. One kind of differentiate हो सकता है. If अगर और next any other point, any other statement? So it's clear, soil erosion and soil degradation. Any confusion? Yes. Again, it can be deposited through natural agents. Those are the agents which is eroded the soil. Same are the natural agents which are responsible for the deposition of the soil also. Right? Yes or no? देखो जो एक suppose that, sit down. Suppose that it is mountain. Right? Yes or no? All the material, it is come down from the topmost layer to lowermost layer. Clear? So this area belongs to soil erosion. Right? Yes or no? Clear? So the various natural agents like air, like glacier, like river, those are the process active. Those are the process natural agents active different region. When we consider the mountainous areas, the glacier is main responsible. River also. Okay? Clear? Komal samajh mein aa raha hai? Yes or no? And same thing with the help of natural agents, the soil particles, the eroded soil particle, which is eroded this portion and it is come down the lower portion and it is deposited here. Right? So the same natural agent which is responsible for the soil erosion also and soil deposition also. Clear? Then if there is a huge deposition, then the same natural agents are active here. So the material which transported from this place to another place. Clear? Eroded, deposition. Erosion, deposition. Then erosion, deposition. Clear? There is a alternate process is going on. What? Okay. So it's clear. Soil erosion and soil degradation. Any confusion, any doubt? Till now, tell me. Clear? Satakshi, Komal, Afrin, Basu. What is soil degradation? Tell me. Okay. Exactly. The declination of the fertility. Okay. Almost. You can say. देखो अगर those are the natural process which is responsible for the soil erosion, same are the process which is responsible for the soil deposition also. Degradation. No, 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 no. Degradation is totally different matter. Sorry. Degradation means what? The quality of the soil. It means the quantity is same. Just removal of the quality. Removal of the quality मतलब मान लो कि सपोज दैट एक स्टूडेंट बेटर रिजल्ट फर्स्ट जब एट द टाइम ऑफ स्टडिंग स्टूडेंट रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा करता था राइट ओके देन आफ्टर द हाफ ईयरली एग्जामिनेशन और आफ्टर द एनुअल हाफ ईयरली में उसने बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स किया लेकिन आफ्टर द एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन he or she will score the last rank throughout the class. Okay, so it means degradation. But the quantity is the same. Student are same, right? But the quality is deteriorating. Clear? But there is a clear difference between soil erosion and soil degradation. Is just removal of the topmost portion of the layer. It's called soil erosion. Removal of the soil from the topmost layer. It's called soil erosion. And the quality of the soil when it deteriorated, it's called the soil degradation. It is quantitative nature and it is qualitative nature. Yes, tell me. Yes, yes. We are talking about this in the soil erosion, soil conservation process. So now this 2 point is clear, yes or no? Now we go for the soil conservation. Soil conservation. So soil erosion and soil degradation both are suitable for the agriculture or top or why? Why? Tell me. Both are the processes suitable for us. Hey, what are you doing? Tell me why. Explain. Any? So both are the process is not suitable for us. Why? Removal of the soil. It means no soil. Exactly. Soil degradation. It means no quality. That is also not suitable for the agriculture. So those two process which is not comfortable for us or not suitable for the agriculture. Clear? So what are the remedies? The remedies kya hai? Soil conservation is the remedies. Clear? So why is what is the necessity of the soil conservation? Yes. Very good, excellent. Firstly, to protect the soil. Second, to protect the soil fertility, maintain the soil fertility, etc. Okay, clear? So what is the necessity of the soil conservation? Clear? Any doubt? Dipendra, samajh mein aaya? Yes or no? Tell me. Understand? Firstly, we are talking about soil erosion, then soil degradation, then the comparison between soil erosion and soil degradation, and the last one, and the remedies are, the remedies of the soil erosion and soil degradation is soil conservation. So what is the necessity of the soil conservation? To protect the soil, to maintain the soil fertility, there is a one type of process is must. What is the name of the process? Soil conservation. Clear up to this question? Now the question is, what are the process of soil conservation? Yes. No. Example not, but what are the process of soil conservation? How to implement it soil conservation? Exactly. So first is what? First point is what? Afforestation. Very good. First is afforestation, right? Yes or no? What is the meaning of afforestation? Planting trees is called afforestation. Exactly. So what happened when we plant trees? What happened? Exactly, it binds the soil. That means it protects the soil erosion, right? Yes or no? And don't go to the complex. Sit down. And it is also source of the word. But oxygen, but it is another source of the regarding soil. Humus, exactly. It is the one of the important source of the humus, exactly. Hey. So afforestation is important process for the soil conservation, respective from it is bind the soil, or it is protect from the soil removal, and also it is supply the what humus content to the soil. Okay, clear? Second, what is the second point? Terrace farming. What is terrace farming? Depend on what is terrace farming. Just exactly, the hilly area is not suitable for the agriculture purpose because there is an absence of open land or plain land, right? Yes or no? So the hills are cut down according to what? According to slopes also. So there is a this type of nature. Sometimes, but sometimes. But there is a huge amount of loss when we construct the human build, settlement building, etc. These are the more dangerous. The human settlement is more dangerous than terrace farming. Okay. So what is terrace farming? Terrace farming is the cultivation of the different type of crops in hilly areas according to slope, height, etc. So terrace farming is the one of the important process for the soil conservation. And what is third? Shifting cultivation, exactly. Close the, that means stop the slash and burn agriculture, exactly. What is slash and burn agriculture? So the tribal people are thought they are accepted nature as a god. So they are sometimes they are fear about some nature, rainfall, etc., lightning, etc. So they think about when they are practicing agriculture, that means it's harmful to the soil and it is harmful to the god. So when they leave that place, they are totally burn the place. In that way, the soil fertility is totally deteriorated from the previous portion to at present. So this process is called slash and burn agriculture, and it is also not suitable for the soil to maintain the soil fertility. It is one of the important causes of the soil degradation. Clear? So to stop slash and burn agriculture. Next. Yes. Stop. Control overgrazing. Exactly. Control. What is grazing? What is grazing? Animal feeding. Exactly. Just 1 minute. When so what is the process of control stop overgrazing? Exactly. Animal rearing is the one of the important cause for the soil erosion. So to protect the soil or to control the soil erosion, we can use the control overgazing. And the last point is using crop rotation. Fourth is control overgazing, and the last one is what? Crop rotation. So what is the meaning of crop rotation? Yes. When we same agriculture से थोड़ा सा exactly, that means the now we are continue practice the three multi types agriculture, right? Yes or no? It's more than 2 or 3 times. So we are using the crop rotation process. So the crop rotation is the one of the important process to maintain the soil fertility. Crop rotation process से क्या होता है? The soil fertility maintain hota hai. Clear? It means supply of nitrogen. Okay, it's clear. Now the topic is totally completed. Okay, the second unit, third unit, the chapter name is soil is completed.